All right, leak hunters, let's rebuild a valve. This is a Pentair valve. I'm going to take off the handle. I'm going to take off the screws, put the handle back so I can pull it apart. Take the handle back off. Take off the O-ring. Pop out the diverter. Those are O-rings. Remove the O-rings. Put no O-rings back on. Put the top back on. Pop it in. Put the cover O-ring back on. Putting the diverter assembly back in. Put the screws back. Tighten them up, crisscross, put the cover back on, and we are done.